What's right here?
No!
You're gonna get tased. Get on the fucking ground right now.
Why? I want to call my husband!
This is Sarah, the future president of the United States in Kazakhstan.
Because I'm white, because I'm black.
Let's go talk about it.
I am human too.
Let's just go talk about
Mic
it.
drop. I need Barack Obama.
Get off there.
Everyone on this plane, remember, I will be the first U.S. female president.
Behind that absurd title lies one of the most unhinged police encounters in recent years. It all began when a passenger seated at the back of a plane preparing for takeoff refused to deplane and demanded water. What seemed like a simple request quickly turned into a scene of public indecency and a forceful arrest in front of hundreds of stunned passengers.
They're trying to allow her to come off willingly. If she will not, she's refusing to come off. We'll go deal with her. Okay. Do you guys mind deboarding the entire plane so that we do not have to deal with her with an entire plane of people?
Can we ask if she would come off nicely with you first?
Yeah.
If she doesn't, then we'll do it.
Yeah. 29 Delta. Excuse me.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Smith. I'm with Nashville Airport Police. They're saying that they want you off of their aircraft.
Why is that?
I don't know. They just said that you were refusing to get off their aircraft after they asked you to get off.
I don't understand why there's so many people like on top of me.
Okay.
Like, this is
Have you had anything to drink today?
No, I keep asking for water. They didn't give me water. They told me that the plane was delayed. I just want water.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol today?
No, I'm
Okay.
on a sabbatical.
Okay. Do you mind stepping off the aircraft? We can figure out what's going on.
Let me know. I'm going home, so I need to know why I'm getting off the plane.
So they're a private company. They're allowed to refuse you service on their aircraft. So
Anytime a private company, like a business?
yes, they're a business. So they're allowed to refuse you service.
Are you serious?
Yep. They're a private
the
company.
law?
They're a private company.
Any private company can do that?
Yep.
Can
So
you breathe? I'm getting can I have some water? I thought you guys were gonna bring me some water.
no.
Okay.
So
I'll
either-
wait here for the water. I'll just keep coloring.
Ma'am, you need to stand up and get off the plane, or every single person's going to get off of this plane. And we will deal with you.
You're gonna deal with me if I don't get off the plane.
Yeah.
You're gonna deal with me? What does that mean? Like you're gonna me? You're gonna deport me? Like my family is from Portugal? Like that's not okay.
I have no reason
I'm
to
a U.S. citizen, and I'm white, or maybe I'm black. I don't know. But this is just a tattoo. See, I am human too.
Okay.
Sarah was convinced of one thing. She had an inalienable right to remain on the aircraft until she was served water.
Mic drop.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the first female.
Can we deboard the plane, please?
This is my fourth rescheduled flight. Please don't do this. Get off. I'm supposed to go home on Sunday. The water? You're telling me not to have water.
You gotta get off?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Stay by just a second here. Hold on.
Let's go. Just go off and we'll talk, okay?
Why are we stepping off?
Because they don't want you on this aircraft.
They don't want me on this aircraft.
Yeah.
Why?
Let's just talk
Because
about
I'm
it.
tall? Because I'm white? Because I'm black?
Let's go talk about it.
I am human too.
Let's just go talk about
Mic
it.
drop.
Let's just
I
talk
need
about
Barack Obama.
Come on.
Tony Robbins.
Hey, I'm being polite with you. Just get off.
This flight is important.
Let's just get off there.
Everyone on this plane, remember, I will be the first U.S. female president in the United States of the Kazakhstan.
For Sarah, this arrest was just a minor setback on her path to the Nobel Peace Prize. Stay until the end to see the full extent of her delusion because Sarah appeared to be completely disconnected from reality.
Ian, remember this.
Let's just go talk about it there.
I'm sorry. Can you call somebody? Can I make a phone call?
Yeah, we can get my supervisor down here and all that.
I need to talk to my husband, please.
You're all right. We can go ahead and talk to him, okay? Come on.
Control, can you share on camera?
Come on.
I'm scared.
You're all right.
Can I have some water?
I'm here with you, okay?
Can you help me? To spray, honey.
I'll help you.
I want to get home to Australia. I've got keys.
I'll help you, okay?
I love Australia. Okay,
Listen, I'll help you.
I can't wait to go back. I want to go back this year.
Let's go this way.
I'd love to get home.
My name is Gary.
Katie, come down here. She's acting more erratically at the
Gary
moment.
is the key. I want to live there.
Control, she's off the aircraft.
Control, are they Alpha 8?
Here, come over here. Let's have a conversation.
She is off the aircraft.
Here, we'll get you a water.
Can I have water?
Yeah. They're gonna get you a water. Just come sit down and we'll
I
talk.
think it's easier when we're walking. Can we walk and talk?
No, let's have a sit. Let's have a seat.
Okay, can I talk to my
All right,
husband first?
stop.
Why am I stopping?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you arresting me? Are you serious?
Let's right here. No! You're gonna get tased. Get on the fucking ground right now.
Why? I want to call my husband!
Get the other car.
Give me your arm now.
They have her in control.
I can get up and go.
Sit down.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm sorry, I just wanted to talk to my husband and I asked for water.
Close your dress. Let me close your dress.
This is where the charges escalated. What started as simple non-compliance turned into indecent exposure. Sarah appeared to be in a state of total dissociation, repeatedly demanding water as if it were the solution to all her personal problems.
Sorry, it's hot.
Karma, let her stand up.
I just want water. Can I stand up?
Yeah.
I can get up by myself.
1, 2, 3.
Stand up. Okay. We're going to close your dress.
Is that a camera?
Yes.
That's cool. Here, I just have to breathe. Can I have water first, please?
No.
You're not going to give me water.
No, ma'am. Not after the scene you just caused. We can have water later.
What did I do?
You just threw yourself on the ground.
I sat down.
You did not sit down. You undid your
That's
dress.
bullshit.
You exposed yourself to everyone in the airport.
It's hot.
You're
And I
going to
asked for
jail.
water.
You're being arrested.
Okay. I just want water.
Hold that door.
Water!
You guys are heading back towards. We're down the ramp now.
I want water! Give me water! I need water! No!
Come on.
You'll get water later. Let's go.
You're not gonna give me water? You're kidding me?
Let's go.
I'll search her.
I want water. Thank you, Sergeant. Can I get some water?
You'll get water.
I know, but my mouth is so dry, it's hard to talk.
Okay. So I can't take your cuffs off, but yeah.
I want to end burnout, and I want to end mental illness, and I want to have world peace.
Okay.
And I want a Nobel Peace Prize.
We're gonna walk to that door over there.
Although she insisted she was on an alcohol sabbatical, her emotional exhaustion and rambling statements about world peace and burnout revealed deep psychological distress. The charges against her included indecent exposure for stripping in public inside the terminal, disorderly conduct for disrupting flight and airport operations, resisting an officer for physically opposing law enforcement. She wanted the Nobel Peace Prize. Instead, she ended up in handcuffs and an orange jail jumpsuit. Don't forget to subscribe for more legal breakdowns.